Gomukhasana co-pose. Start in tablecloth position and slowly bring one leg in front of the other. Squeeze the inner thighs, push the heels a little bit to the side and sit between them with the sitting bones. You can make a few moves. Feel as your sitting bones grounded, the sacrum is inside the body, and when you're feeling grounded in your base, then you can start to raise up one hand, usually the opposite hand with the help of the belt or without the belt, and interlace fingers behind your back. With your fingers, try to pull the spine inside the body, arch the spine, and see that both hands remain parallel with each other. Don't let go the elbows to the side because it's not good for the shoulders. So both upper arm remains parallel. In this position, if you wish, you can bend forward, further lengthening the spine, or you can make a twist as well. It's very important that the legs remaining strong and you're bringing the weight towards the leg. Here it's a more easier variation. Here we will do Gomukhasana with only one leg. It will be better for senior people and for stiff people. So you can do the one leg version as well, where you can also bend forward or you can twist as well. What's important that you find connection between the femur and the joint. You ground well with the back of the leg and you're squeezing together the inner thighs while your spine remains straight and strong. And as a modification, as I show you in the video, you can also sit on a bolster or in a brick, and then it will become more easy for the legs.